Alright, I'm doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. And I already broke the seal, that way I can open it, because I'm recording with my phone on the Samsung A50. But this is the box. This is everything that you get inside of the box. You have, let's see what we got, if I can get the focus. 6 hours playtime, 7 hours with charging case, clear calls and sound quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. And this is the other side of the box. And I guess this is a quick reference, all the paperwork. Then we have, let's see what we got right here. I need to get a tripod. Charging cable, I think it's a USB-C. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, it's a USB-C. And we got the headphones themselves right here. Let me open this up. Oh boy. Alright, and there's the headphones inside the charging case. Have not even connect them to my phone yet. Again, I'm recording on the Samsung A50. I did an unboxing on this phone, and I'm upgrading from the Raycon E50 Pros. And the reason why I'm upgrading was I lost one of them last week while I was at work. So upgrading from these to the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Oh yeah, this is the back of the box, and powered by AKG. So yep, that's everything you get inside of the box. Be sure to like and subscribe.